Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Feeding the German. Sugar glazed almonds is very famous in Germany, especially during Christmas. We only need almonds, sugar, water, and salt. Let's start making them. Place a pan on top of a stove, then add the almonds, 3/4 cup of sugar, and water. Set the temperature to high. Wait for the sugar to melt while stirring the almonds continuously. We do this so the sugar and almonds don't get burned. Originally, I used to make sugar glazed peanuts and gave them as gifts to family and friends here, but almonds seem to taste better and are more loved than peanuts. Let's wait until the melted sugar turn back to crystals, then we lower the temperature to medium-high. Stir and mix continuously until some of the crystals melt back to sugar and form a glaze. Break down the clumps of sugar and almonds if needed. Here is the finished product of the glazed almond. Hope you and your family enjoy this treat. If you like this recipe, please hit the subscribe button and share. See you next time. Tschüss!